So hey guys, welcome back to Bang Traveler. So after a while I'm just posting this video. So this time, like today is very special because just now I learned how to drive car, and I'm taking my car from Europe car, and we are going to Hua Hin. So let's go. So we are waiting for the car to arrive. So the car is, I think, Toyota Yaris Active, so that sedan version. So this is my first time driving. Little bit nervous.
I am
Where is the car?
nervous than you.
Where is the car?
Coming baby.
So actually this is a trial drive. So we are going to Hua Hin. We'll stay there for one day. So tomorrow we'll back at night. And after that, if all okay, then actually we are planning to go to north of Thailand. So that is 9 days of road trip. So yeah, already booked actually from Europe car. Hope it will be great. Okay, so I need to attach these things first. So this one I bought. This is for phone charger, phone mount. So I think I can put here somewhere. Okay. Something here. So this is my Insta 360. So I'll put okay, less time to go. So, how are you feeling?
Fresh after a long time.
Actually, first time we are driving car here. So yeah, it's pretty cool.
Feeling good.
And today's weather is like overcast, it's like cloudy.
That's why I like the most.
Yeah.
What?
So this is the car, Toyota Yaris Active sedan. And we almost reach to Hua Hin. It will take, I think, 40 minutes from here. And this is the PTT station, you can see. So yeah, let's go. She's happy today. So already reached to Hua Hin Golf Villa. So it was a great ride actually. Sorry, great drive. Great drive.
Your first one.
Yeah.
You're pretty good.
Let's go.
Yeah. Are you here only one night?
Yeah, one night.
How is it?
Yeah, I just came from Bangkok.
Oh, you came from Bangkok.
Bangkok, yeah.
Right.
So tomorrow I'll go to Khao San Royal,
Oh, Samayo.
then go back to Bangkok. So guys, you can see we have reached Hua Hin Golf Boutique Villa. So it's pretty good setup. They have like wooden kind of like setup the rooms. So wooden floor. The bed looks comfy. Yeah, and they have like a private balcony. So I'll show you. Yeah, it's pretty much a big balcony here, so you can see it at morning here for breakfast, and pretty good view. So this is the car parking, and yeah, it's pretty decent. So the good part about this villa is like that it have very good rating in booking.com, and the price is also very cheap. It's like I think 800 plus baht per night with breakfast included for both. It's pretty cheap in Hua Hin, and the beach is 100 meter from here. So the main purpose of this Hua Hin trip is like few days back I got my driving license, so I wanted to test my driving skill. I recently learned from one driving school in Bangkok, so I wanted to just test my driving skill, and just took a car from Europe car. It's like 1000 baht per day with full insurance and everything, accidental insurance. So why not? So just took the car, and the car was very good. It's like a Toyota Yaris 1.2 Active, that is sedan version. So it was great drive from Bangkok, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So first drive, actually, can you able to identify that I am a first driver today?
No, because you drive bike, right? You are a bike rider, that's why.
Yes,
You have
actually,
the knowledge
yeah, actually
how
I
to
know
ride.
I know about Thai roads, and I used to ride a lot by my.
You know all the traffic rules and all.
Yes, I know everything. I used to ride past 2-3 years here in Thailand by bike. So yep. So it was easy for me for the traffic rule, and I was just cutting like lanes.
You have the experience.
Yeah. So actually,
Yeah, I'm safe now.
and she liked it. So we used to
I
ride.
love it.
Yeah, we used to ride with her in different places in Thailand, and yep. So it is different experience for us.
First time, right?
Yeah, this is first time actually we are driving
Together.
together. Not in Thailand. It is ever first time
Yeah,
ever.
first time ever.
Yeah. So now we are feeling so hungry.
Yeah,
This is
hungry.
like 2:57, like 3 p.m. in Thailand. So yep. So let's go for a good Thai lunch. Let's go. So if you are coming to Hua Hin Golf Villa, the beach is 100 meter from the villa, and I can see the amazing beach, Hua Hin beach, and the fresh air.
Oh, after
Oh,
like
oh,
6
oh.
and 7 months. Feeling really fresh.
But
here.
I don't think so we can able to find any restaurant here. We need to go that way.
I think so. Yeah.
This is not a beach. The sea level is high. I think we need to go that way and left. So now we are in Baan Itsara restaurant. This is like a beachside restaurant in Hua Hin. Looks cool. Let's see. Cup, Anna, this one, and this one. Restaurant is famous for like all the seafood and everything. So you can see this one is like mixed seafood with some curry, and this one is steamed red curry paste, right, with seafood. So this is all Thai dish, and this one is rice, steamed rice. Let's try with this rice. Let's try with this first. It looks good. Little bit of curry. So this is actually squid. So I'll take one. Good. Little spicy. So, are you full? Too much food? Actually, food was really good and the quantity was huge. So, see, she's gone. Actually, we ordered 3 items only, but yeah.
I don't know why.
And the rice quantity is very small, but still we are full. I think because of this coconut water. Maybe.
Because we're full, right?
But by the way, we are satisfied. Oh, really good. So if you're coming to Hua Hin, you should check out this restaurant. It's Itsara. Baan Itsara. Good. Mak mak. So guys, you can see the tide of this ocean. And that side is the main Hua Hin city. That side. I think you cannot able to see that side. So we have another guest here. See? Wait, what are you doing?
Taking pictures.
Taking pictures?
Hot.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Let's go, let's go.
No.
Taking pictures of flowers.
เอาด้านนี้ได้นะครับขอบคุณนะครับเชิญครับ
Now we are in Cicada Market. It is like famous night market in Hua Hin. But our car is parked in another market that is called Tamarind Market. Looks like that one is more crowded than Cicada Market, and they have lot of good shops like for food. And yeah, I think that is only weekend market.
พี่เปาสร้างอารมณ์ขึ้นหน่อยสุดยอด อาจจะมีบางทีฉันดูสับสนมีใครบ้างไหมสักคนยอมทนรับฟังเรื่องราวบางที่มีบางทีก็เหมือนไม่มีมันคือนรกดีๆบางทีฉันก็ปวดร้าวเฝ้าอิจฉาดูใครก็เพราะครอบครัว
So actually these bags, this is the passport books and everything. This is made by this corp. This corp is very unique actually, right? Very unique.
Beautiful.
ขอบคุณครับ
ขอบคุณค่ะ চার্জ করা যাবে না ওখানে কোকোনাট ওয়াটারও পাওয়া যাচ্ছে
না কোকোনাট ওয়াটার This is all Thai dessert.
นี่ตักไว้ครึ่งเดียว
Thai. Tea.
ถึงจะบานบานเข้าในตาเราทุกคนจะทำให้เสียน้ำตา
Not saying this time.
Carry on, 'cause I know I don't belong. It's your mind. If I saw you in river, and I know I just can't stay here never.
ที่ตั้งไกลเหลือเกินนะพี่นะถามว่าฟังเธอเขาฟังเพลง90จะให้เบรก2ยังไม่กลับ